Hello kids, welcome once again. Today we are going to read name of 10 domestic animal or farm animals. So, what are domestic animals or farm animals? Domestic animals or farm animals are those animals who are kept at home or in the farm to get something for our daily life from them. For example, we get milk from cow, egg from hen, wool from sheep. In below slides, you will see name of some more domestic animals. Cow, ox, buffalo, camel, sheep, hen, goat, donkey, horse, duck. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.